if you want to take high resolution photos on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, the first thing that you can do is of course open the camera, and then here in the photo mode we can tap on this arrow in the upper right corner. This allows you to open this menu where we can make some small adjustments in order to increase the resolution. So if you want to take a photo in the highest resolution possible, the first thing that you need to do is you want to change the quality to 50 megapixels. And then over here, as you can see, the aspect ratio cannot be changed as well, but if you for some reason prefer to use 12 megapixels instead, which I doubt that you want to do that if you want to take high resolution photos, but still, if you prefer it that way, then over here you can also make sure that the aspect ratio is 4:3 because it simply provides the highest resolution out of all of these aspect ratios available in the camera. We can of course use tuning over here in order to adjust the photo itself. It doesn't really change anything in case of in terms of resolution. So whatever you apply over here, or if you just reset to 0, whatever, it doesn't change anything about the size of the photo and its resolution. So pretty much the only option that matters, or maybe the option that matters the most, is the quality, which should be set to 50 megapixels. Now keep in mind that, for example, if you use the motion photo, then you cannot really use 50 megapixels, so of course you need to make sure that this option is disabled, or actually the phone disables it automatically, so you just need to make sure that you are aware of that. Filters and HDR don't really have that much of an impact, you can still use them if you want to, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.